Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And I'm here again with a new table topic. Let me get the table topic. The table topic is there truth in the saying clothes makes the man? Is there truth in saying clothes makes the man? Historically, or whatever we do, we look around, we find that clothes make an important role in your impression. But is it the most important thing? We fail to understand that clothes doesn't matter much. Who you are inside those clothes, that defines you. That is very important. And it reminds me a movie called that like almost you may have seen that movie, Pursuit of Happiness. And if you remember in that movie, lands he lands up in the interview without a shirt on, and so uh, that thing reminds me that yes, clothes an important part of your living, uh, in your impression, but who you are inside those clothes, that matters a lot. So the focus is shouldn't be that your clothes makes them in. The focus should be who you are inside those clothes. If you wear nice clothes, that's just add on to your personality. That's just add on to who you are. But it doesn't replace that. Who you are inside, that's what matters in the long term, and always optimize for that. So yes, uh, I believe that clothes are an important part of your life, important part of your impression, but it's not the only important thing. The most important thing is that who you are inside those clothes, and that's what matters in the long run. Thank you. Over to you.